Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health app. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see the health page, if you don't need to deal with massive amount of notifications. And once you see this page, tap on Devices. And here you will see your HUAWEI Watch D2 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down, find the option called the Restore Factory Settings. And once you find it, tap on it, then tap on Restore to confirm and start the resetting process. One thing to mention before we continue though, is that make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if it dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So let's continue, tap on Restore, and the watch will disappear from the device page, and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.